So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Paint 3D text in Paint 3D. So let's click on our new. We have our text here. So we have a 2D text and a 3D text. So simply press the 3D text. Now we can click on the canvas and then type the word you want. Alright, so fine. You can drag and select, or just like any other software, you can change the font type you want. So I'll change it to a different font that I like. We can change it to bold. You can also change the color here. Fine. So we now have our 3D text. However, how do we know this is 3D on the canvas? So we can, let's bring the perspective, drag the perspective outwards to bring it away from the canvas, and then drag the y-axis, or click and drag the y-axis rotation. Now we can show, now we can see how the 3D text looks like. So this is how to use a 3D text in Paint 3D. If you enjoyed the video, please kindly like and subscribe.